front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by opening Sound Recorder app. Following that, click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Then manage all of the available options however you wish to, like recording mode. When you're ready, go back and start your recording by tapping on this left button, the red one, and selecting Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same left button. In order to end it and save it, tap on the right one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to. And click on Save over here. So when I do that, I need to access Recordings list by tapping on this right button, now with lines. Finally, to play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you can always hold it. Tap on this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!